Hey, today I'm going to show you guys how to get free Standoff 2 promo codes. So what you want to do is go to zestcoupons.com. As you can see, it says Standoff 2 promo code, so just press get code and then press show coupon code and just wait for it to load. Now bear in mind they are going to ask you for your email address because obviously they're sending the promo code to your email. So just go ahead and press get full code and then wait for it to load, guys, as you can see. So you can see it says activating reward. So we'll just give it a second. Reward activated. All right. And basically, guys, you gotta fill this out. I already did it all. But anyway, once you're done, you should be good to go. But anyway, after this, you might have to do a little survey. So let me just go ahead and do that right here, as you can see. All right. So after we do the survey, guys, we're just going to go ahead and press I agree and continue. And now we're done. So see you later. Subscribe. But if you guys want to get Standoff 2 promo codes, that's how you do it in 2025. This is super crazy and fully works. So yeah, try it out for yourself, guys, because this is so insane. And I've tried many methods. And you might have to do a deal at the end. So these are the deals. So just go ahead and complete that if needed. But yeah, if you guys want to get Standoff 2 promo codes, you got to give this a try, guys. It's so crazy and it fully works. So I hope you guys enjoyed, but yeah, try it out for yourself. This is super cool, and it's updated and everything. So yeah, I'll see you guys later, but yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is so crazy, and it's legit. I mean, everyone should know about this method and give it a try. I'll see you guys in another video, though. So yeah, if you like Standoff 2, be sure to try us out. See you guys later. Everybody subscribe. This is super awesome, guys, and it totally works. So if this video works, you guys, be sure to go and share it. I've looked into some other Standoff 2 promo code tutorials, but they didn't work. So this was the only one that's real. So I'm going to see you guys later. Be subscribe to the channel. And yeah, it's super cool, guys. And I really like it. So yeah, I'll see you guys in another video. And peace out.